That looks better. Okay, I don't know what to say now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my sister's makeup. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna make it look good. But her name's Allison, and how old are you? 14? 14. She's 14. So let's get started. We're gonna do her eyebrows first, and we're just gonna use pretty much all of my makeup for her face, except for her foundation.
Yeah, no need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends, yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. Top little dreaming, riding in her bus. You don't smoke, but it's cool when you're friends. Silver City with your girls on the weekend.
Alright, next we're going to be doing foundation, and we're just going to use my crusty sponge. And we're going to be using her foundation, which is the CoverGirl Outlast All Day Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation. It's in the color 857 Golden Tan. I think we're going to mix her foundations because she's kind of in between them, so we're still using the CoverGirl one right now, and I'm just dabbing it all over. And next we're also going to use her other foundation, which is I think this is pretty much her winter color. It's the Maybelline Fit Me 10 Porcelain. And we're gonna mix it just because the one that I put on first is a little bit darker. Love you, babe. Might look a little weird at first, but it'll work out.
Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock for me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, hold over me. Can you take control?
Alright, so it looks good. It blended out pretty nice. Now we're gonna use what I used for contour. Well,
This is the $1 million shit right here. Oh, everything that's happening right now is happening for a reason. It's $1 million. Should move back.
I deserve that whip right there.
Alright, so we're gonna go in with the Milani Foxy Sexy Lip Gloss. Foxy Sexy Lip Gloss.
I deserve to pull up to that big house in my name. I deserve that drip right there. Yeah, bust down on my Rolex and my chain. Sometimes you gotta treat yourself.
They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me.
I think I'm just gonna do like a light dark brown on her eyelids. We're gonna use the beauty box as always, and we're gonna go and start in with our base coat right here. Come say hi. This is Talise. She popped up. This is our younger sister. She's 4. Say hi. She's been in a previous video on my channel before. She did my makeup.
The monster one.
Yep. So if you guys want, you can go check that out too if you haven't watched it yet. Alright, bye Talise. Take the phone. Shut the door behind you. Now we're going to go in with a little bit of a darker color. We're going to go with this one right here. with a little bit of a darker color, but she has lighter skin, so I don't really need to go in that dark with her. So we're gonna go in with this one right here. I think I actually want to do cut crease on my sister, so we're gonna clean all this up a little bit. Now we're gonna go in with my under eye concealer, and we're gonna use it on her actual lid because this helps with covering up stuff. Go in with this color right here. The light is too bright, but it's kind of like an off-white and it has a little bit of sparkle to it, not too much. Now we're gonna go in with this liquid eyeliner. Line out loud. Line out loud.
Live out loud.
And we're gonna use that for this top part. Go in with the eyeliner, and we're just gonna do a really skinny line on the bottom. What I'm using is Maybelline Master Precise by iStudio. So I'm gonna let my sister do her own mascara just because I don't want to stab her eyeballs out. And I'll put her in a little bit closer towards the end of the video so you guys can get like a better look at the cut crease eye look.
Should I put some on my bottom?
No, it's fine.
This one makes my eyes so clear.
Now that we got that, we're gonna go in with some falsies, and we're gonna use Ardell 601. Okay, so what I forgot to do is her highlight, so we're gonna go back in with that while this adhesive is drying. And now the adhesive is tacky enough where I can put it onto her eyes. So I've done my sister's eyelashes before, and what I usually do is I put the glue on, let it get tacky, and then I put it as close to her lash line as I can, and then I just have her sit there for a couple minutes and let it dry, and then I have her open her eyes. Sometimes it does get stuck. Why are you smiling?
Because I was just thinking about it getting stuck. Hold on.
But anyways, sometimes it does get stuck to her lower lash line, so I just pull it, kinda. Alright, open your eyes. Oh my god.
My eye could have got glued together.
So that is the finished look. I really like how it turned out. The eyelashes look real cute. So it looks pretty good. I like it. It's like a everyday makeup look pretty much.
Every day?
I feel like it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We were cracking up for like a good majority of it. If you liked the video, please give it a like. Please stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Ew, I look like a munchkin like that. I'm sorry. Oh, you got it.
You're really good. You're like,
Now make that noise. I didn't say huh. Ooh, I look all Gracie. Okay, shut up. I'm cutting out all your ugly laughs. What the heck? It's whatever.
You're like, if you like this, then please like it.
That was you. That wasn't me.